Alright gang, yesterday I come across this colony here. Every frame was full of pollen. I mean, slam full of pollen where any brood would have been. And so actually found one frame with a few eggs in multiple cells, or multiple eggs in cells. So that's usually indicative of a queenless colony, and the fact that they didn't have any worker brood. There were one or two where the larvae were projecting out of the cells, indicative of a drone layer. So it's kind of cool. It's very windy. I'm not going to shake all these bees out today, but what I'm going to do is, I had a little small nuke. It was actually a swarm, and there's basically the queen started laying. There's 2 frames with a lot of brood, and I'm going to add it to this colony, and I'm going to put the queen in a cage, and I'm going to try to introduce her to this colony and basically save this colony. So if it works, so be it. If not, I don't know if the camera will pick this up or not, but it's kind of windy today, but you can really hear this colony here. It's kind of roaring. So this one pretty calm. So I've got the attendants in there with her. I've got tape over there. I had to make some fresh queen candy this morning, so I've got tape over the candy, and well, this one wants to go in too, evidently. And I put a little hole in the tape. That'll buy some time. So another trick that I like to use is I'm gonna add a little sugar water. I don't want to incite no robbing, but I do want to get these girls mixed into this colony without there being a huge fight. So that will help us integrate the 2 colonies together, is to splash a little bit of syrup around the inside of the colony. I don't want to overdo it either. Into the colony, and let them release her. And I'm going to sandwich her between, I'm actually going to have to pull another frame out. I'm going to have to. So this frame has a little bit of brood, I believe. Yeah, it's got brood and eggs in here, so I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to splash them down a little bit. Like I said, I don't want to start a robbing frenzy, but I do want to get her in the middle of her colony, and toward the back preferably. So that's the way I'll attempt to save that colony. I'll take this queen right nuke, 3 frames of it, and put it in here. 1 frame of brood, another frame of brood, and the frame the queen is on in the middle of those, and then integrate it into a brand new colony. Sometimes that won't work. It's October. It's North Carolina. we're going to try it. If it works, we save the colony. If it doesn't, so be it. Appreciate y'all watching.